How to link your Xbox account with Reddit on Xbox Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to link your Xbox account with Reddit fast and easy. First thing, go to Xbox and then click here and now click this one, link social accounts. And now all you need to do is just click here, link, and now just type your username and password and click login and it will be done. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.